Good morning, everyone. We are from DST Coderz, and I'm here to introduce AgroNet AI, a smart agriculture platform designed to secure our global future. My name is Sharman Merabrajan, matrix number 229065.
Hello to everyone watching. My name is Darshan Shanmugam and my matrix number is 230111.
Hi everyone. My name is Daneshwar Parmar with matrix number 224499.
Hi everyone, my name is Sujiniswaran son of Raja and my matrix number is 225284.
Okay, let's move on to the problem statement. Today's farmers are operating in the dark. They face four critical challenges. First is a lack of real-time data, leaving them to guess about soil and weather conditions. Second is the inefficient irrigation, which wastes precious water. Third is delayed disease detection, where an entire crop can be lost before the problem is even spotted. Finally, limited connectivity in rural areas, which prevents them from using modern tools. Next. So, why this problem matters? The stakes couldn't be higher. By 2050, we will have 9.7 billion people to feed. Currently, poor monitoring leads to 30% crop loss annually, and farming already consumes 70% of our fresh water. We are at a tipping point. Without technology driven solutions, the gap between food demand and production will continue to widen, threatening global stability and the livelihoods of over 500 million small scale farmers. Next. So, our solution is AgroNet AI. This is our web-based platform integrates five core pillars to revolutionize farming. First is IoT sensors for real-time soil and crop data, AI predictions to provide precise irrigation and stress guidance, a community network so farmers can share alerts and insights, image analysis for instant disease detection, and sustainability scoring to reward and promote eco-friendly farming. AgroNet AI turns data into action, ensuring a more resilient and sustainable food system for everyone.
So now that we have identified the problem and our solution, so let's look at how AgroNet AI actually works in the field. So our platform operates on a continuous five-step cycle that transforms new raw environmental data into actionable insights for the farmer. So for step one, which is IoT sensors, it all begins at the ground level. We deploy a network of IoT sensors directly into the fields to monitor critical variables like soil moisture, temperature, and humidity in real time. So step two is data collection. So this data is then streamed instantly to the AgroNet AI cloud platform. So ensuring that the information is always current and accessible. Step three is AI analysis. So once the data is in our system, our machine learning models take over. They will analyze the incoming streams to detect anomalies and generate predictive models for crop health and irrigations. So step four is dashboard. So the results will be delivered to the farmer via a clean, intuitive web interface. So here they can view live charts, receive immediate alerts, and see the data-driven recommendations. So step five is community. So finally, we close the loop with the community. So critical alerts such as pest outbreaks or extreme weather are shared across nearby farms to foster collective awareness and faster regional response. Next. So to provide a truly comprehensive solution, we have integrated 8 powerful modules into our single platform. So core management. So the farmer dashboard serves as the central hub for all farm metrics. While our AI insights module provides predictive guidance on crop stress and pest risk. So our crop health detection allows farmers to simply upload a photo of a plant to receive an AI-powered disease ID and treatment plan. This works alongside our smart irrigation system, which optimizes water usage to prevent both over and under watering. The next is risk and assistant. So we also feature a food security risk index, which calculates a risk score based on crop health and weather. For any other question, the AI Farm Advisor acts as a 24/7 interactive chat assistant. And next is community and eco impact. So lastly, this keeps neighbors connected through share alerts, while our sustainability score evaluates and rewards eco-friendly farming practice. Next, please. Okay. So there are the three layer stack. So our system is built on a robust three-layer technology stack designed for scalability and reliability. So first is field layer. So at the foundation is the field layer. This consists of our hardware, the soil moisture, temperature, and the humidity sensors, along with crop cameras that capture the raw data. Second layer is platform layer. So the middle layer is our engine. It houses the AI prediction engine, the image analysis module, and the central dashboard that manage all alerts and community data. So lastly is the user layer, which ensures the accessibility. So farmers can interact with the platform through any web browser on a mobile responsive interface, accessing their AI advisor, sustainability reports on the go.
Okay, let's dive into our live demonstration prototype. So this is our screenshot of the prototype that we made. So okay, let's see our prototype. Basically, this is our Lovable. We use Lovable app to create the web, and we edit the code and take some idea from ChatGPT to improvise this almost perfect app. So this is the main entry screen. If you didn't have an account, means you can sign up. If you already have account, means you can sign into the account and just put in your email and password and then sign into the dashboard. You guys also can continue with the Google account. So in this case, I'm using my email account and sign into the dashboard. So as you guys can see, this is the main dashboard to this Agronet, that is AI platform. So there's a lot of information going on here. So first of all, we decode one by one. Okay, first, the food security risk index. This shows the index of based on the crop health and the weather, water availability. So for now, the level is the medium, as it shows is the yellow color, and then we can see the soil moisturizer, that is 52 percentage, the temperature, the humidity, and then the points, the light intensity. So it is also the sensor readers for today. So every single day, like every single hour, it will send the data to this web, and then the AI reads the data, and then machine learning model will train using the data that AI gave us. And then this is the thing. So when we put it at the 8 a.m., the moisturizer is 62 percentage and the temperature is 26 percentage. So this is the smart alerts that given by AI itself. So first of all, the smart alert is like so low soil moisture detector in zone B. First of all, we got a lot of zones. For example, zone A, it's for rice. Zone B, I give you an example. Zone B is for corn, and got a lot of zones. And we also can connect the farmers across the state if you want to connect them. And then this is our crop health. It shows and 72% of 100. And this is our water use today. This is the main dashboard of our app. And then AI insights. This is the predictive model. So 7 days prediction forecast. It will send the data, as I mentioned before, and will send the data and it will predict for the next 7 days. So when we see this, we got blue line and yellow line with red line, right? So when the blue line indicate that the irrigation needed, and then the red line is like pest risk. So how much is the risk gonna be in the future in the next day and in the 7 days later. So as we all can see, at Wednesday it will increase as the AI predict, as the machine learning predict. And then when we see the farm health radar, it's a bit a good kind distribution, that is said like a lot of nutrients, the weather is good, the pest risk is good, the soil health is good. And then this is the AI recommendation. So we need an immediate irrigation required because it's a higher required. So if you want to schedule the thing, when you just schedule the thing and then it will shows it in the schedule. So as I mentioned, scheduled irrigation, right? So it already scheduled. And then zone B, okay, as I mentioned, zone A is for rice, zone B is for corn, and zone C is for vegetables. So health crop. Okay, it's one of the interesting features that we had it. Okay, let's say you got one doubt and you wanna test the plant. Just upload the crop and then just take an example of a crop, like plant A. Let's say I open the plant and then it's analyzing. This is a plant. So it says right a rice blast. Okay, basically rice blast is a microorganism that can see like the white color one. So it says it's got a rice blast no, it's a scientific name lah, basically. So it shows detect correctly, and then it shows a 72% of health score. And then this is the recommendation treatment that we should do to improve our plant health. And then there's a common diseases in our area. And then the community network, this is the network that we implement to all our zones. We got 247 farmers connected to it. We got alarms, and then these are updates, and then yeah, they got a flash warning, flood warning, and blah 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 something. So this is sustainability risk that Danish told us, like mentioned before, is a report. It shows that 74% of 100 is almost good. We are take care of the plant is quite good, and then the water usage and then the saving of the usage is an achievement that we achieve. So by using this one, right, we can attract the users, attract the use of this app to do more to save their plants, because we got their achievements. And then in the future implementation, we can give gifts or something else to make them to involve in this field more. And then the last thing is a AI advisor. Let's say we don't know when should I irrigate my rice crop, and then will show the thing like based on the current blah 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 recommendation scheduled. And then yeah, this is AI insights. And sign out button. This is my profile. I think that's all for this demonstration app, and we move on to the next slide. Is okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Sujan, for the amazing presentation. So now let's look at the AI tools we used to build the app, the AgroNet AI. So first, we use Lovable Web App Generator. This helped us to quickly gain and develop the web application with smart UI suggestions. So it made the development of the process way more faster and way more efficient for us. So next, we used Figma for designing our user interface. It allowed us to create clean, simple, and user-friendly layouts for farmers to easily understand the system. So from the demo, you should have seen our user interface was very clean and easy to read. And next, we also used ChatGPT for research and content. It helped us to generate a lot of ideas to make this app, plan the system, and write documentation clearly. And finally, we used GitHub Copilot for coding. It assisted us by suggesting code, fixing errors, and speeding up development. Let's go to the next slide. So AgroNet AI can bring major improvements to agriculture, which is something that we should prioritize a lot. First, it can increase crop yield by up to 30% by helping farmers make better decisions. Second, it can reduce water wastage by 25% through smart irrigation recommendations. Third, early disease detection can reduce crop losses by up to 40%. And most importantly, this platform has the potential to help over 500 million farmers worldwide. So overall, AgroNet AI helps farmers save resources, reduce risk, and improve productivity using data and AI. Let's move to the next slide. So looking ahead, we have several plans to improve this system that we've built, which is AgroNet AI. So in phase 2, we plan to integrate drones for aerial monitoring and precision spraying. In phase 3, we will use satellite data for large-scale farm analysis. In phase 4, we aim to develop advanced AI models to predict crop yield in advance. In phase 5, we will introduce Edge AI so the system can work even without internet. And in phase 6, we plan to add a marketplace and financial services to support farmers. So with time, the system will only get better. Finally, in phase 7, we will use blockchain technology to ensure transparency and food safety. And let's go to the last slide, which is the thank you slide. So it shows that this is the end of our presentation. To conclude our presentation, Agronet AI combines IoT, AI, and community networks to create a smarter and more sustainable farming system. So thank you, and see you later.